Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Growing Polish YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about a cute little tool. It's an IR visual camera in the thermal range. It does emissivity and a bunch of other stuff, but it has an online catalog. Here you can look at the owner's manual. It's very well written. It was not hard to read it and understand all the functionality. And then once I did that, here we go. We're going to take a look at some pictures in just a second or two. It's very useful. It's from a company in London. I ordered it. It only took 2 days to get here. It's about $300 and very nice. So here me looking on the back deck, and here is sunlight coming in through the screen, hitting the floor that is wood, and it picks up the thermal difference where the sunlight is. And then here's me visually looking at my cell phone, which is charging, and it's generating a little bit of heat. Now let's take a look at a couple of things. One, we can look at an overlay of thermal on top of visual, and if we want, we can go to the thermal properties only. Now, you can either look at video, which this is, or you can take pictures, and when you take pictures, you get some additional data files that go along with it. Now, here's an idea. Here's Luann standing 8 feet away from me in the den with in an air-conditioned room at 73 degrees. Everything's about the same temperature. Here she is waving. So it's not a fine resolution, but what I bought it for was to work on engines. Now here's the overlay mode of her, a little more focused in with the thermal visual on top of it. And then finally, here's what the visual was looking like. So the other thing we did was we looked at a window in a wall. The wall is blue, the window is red. It's about 90 degrees outside in summertime here. Here's a cat sitting on a chair, actually laying down, just to kind of give you an idea of some of the capabilities of the camera. Here's a Bic Lighter. The camera auto-stabilizes and renders itself based upon the light levels in the whole picture. So you turn the light off and it changes everything. Here's Luann sitting by the phone about an hour after sunset. The water is still nice and warm and the concrete is cooling off. So again, a very useful camera. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching and have a good day flying your Grumman.